Transurfer. Thank you for tuning in to this Transurfing TV production. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and please like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love Reality Transurfing to enter my giveaway for my awesome reprogramming stickers. I pull winners each week. The concept being discussed today is from the book Tufty, Live Stroll Through a Movie. This overview gives basic detail of the concept. To assimilate all the subtle details of this material, you will need to read the whole book very carefully. If there is something that you do not understand, read Reality Transurfing Steps 1 through 5. Transurfing is essentially primary school, and by comparison, Tufty techniques are high school. Why is it so important to carry out the methods described here? Because these methods release you from the script, bring you to life inside of the film, and instill helpful automatic responses. Enjoy. Integrated action stroll method. Composing a new reality and yourself within it. Pretend that you already live in that reality and that you are already that new self. And of course, create that new self. Fan the creator's spark. This is what we talked about earlier. It is what you are capable of doing inside the film. Propel the forthcoming frame. Propel yourself. Propel yourself from within. Take it all seriously. Practice consistently and for a relatively long period of time. Always. Then, one film roll at a time, one reflection at a time, your mannequin and your life will begin to change. You will see change. Of that, there is no doubt.